Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ice candy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need water, sugar, your favorite flavoring, and perhaps some food coloring for extra fun. Don't forget your ice candy bags or small molds, which are essential. Make sure everything is sparkling clean and ready to go before we begin this delightful process. Now, let's create our delicious ice candy base. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 1 cup of sugar. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down. After it's cool, stir in your chosen flavoring, like a fruit juice or a few drops of extract, for that perfect taste. With your flavored mixture now perfectly cooled, it's time for the next step, filling your bags. Carefully pour the liquid into each ice candy bag. Remember to leave about 1/4 of the bag empty at the top. This space is crucial for tying. Once filled, twist the top of the bag tightly and tie a secure knot. This ensures no leaks and keeps your ice candy perfectly contained. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Place all your filled and securely sealed ice candy bags into the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, until they are completely solid. Once frozen, your delightful, homemade ice candy is ready to be enjoyed. It's the perfect, refreshing treat for any warm day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.